So if you come to this place like early in the morning, usually it's a bit it's really crowded because the market is the main like KL market is here, you know.
Oh, so this is like the main.
Yeah, this is the main KL market area. So this whole place is just filled with shops and stalls and you know.
This is Chinatown. I'm with my friend Dom, and I haven't seen Dom in like, how long has it been? 2012, right?
Yeah, I think it's been 10 years or 11 years.
10 years.
Yeah,
I haven't seen this guy in 10 years.
God, it is 10 years.
And I've been saying, we were saying 10 years ago, I'm like, one day I'll come to Malaysia and I'll come visit you, man. I'll come visit you. And finally, I'm here.
Working with my dad.
Yep. Doing what?
Construction.
Construction. Okay.
Yeah. Doing full construction. Doing renovations and stuff like that.
Awesome.
Alright. You wanna eat first?
Dude, I'm easy, man. Let's go.
Okay. You wanna eat first or you wanna walk first?
Whatever you wanna do.
I'm okay with anything. So this is Petaling Street. It's where they sell all the technical, the knockoffs.
Okay.
Yeah.
In India, they call it the first copy. First copy.
Yeah. So.
I see.
You see.
I see.
You see what you get. It's tourists. I mean, like, the tourist market has not built up to what it used to be yet.
Ada orang tak beli barang kok.
So you guys vape as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have vapes in Australia, but they don't have nicotine.
Yeah. Oh,
It's illegal. It's illegal. Yeah.
Okay.
Like you can find it, but it's very hush hush. It's hard to get as well. Chestnuts. Okay.
Yeah, that's how they cook it. That's how they cook the chestnut. They used to be. You couldn't walk through here. It was so hot, you know. But now there's like so much space to go on. I know that.
Whoa. Okay. Don't worry, it's okay. If I put this on YouTube, they're not giving me money.
Yeah.
So, I don't film, don't worry.
Okay. Yeah, my sister also, a lot of people.
How much is it? 30 ringgit?
Yeah. And this is a hot selling flavor, watermelon.
Alright, you sold me.
Yeah.
Watch it. You can try the Rolex.
No, I'm good with that. Rollies. You get your Rolex from that guy.
Like $10,000 or whatever
Yeah.
for the Rolex, right? And you can get the exact same model for way cheaper, less than 1,000 ringgit.
Dude, this is delicious.
Lychee. Lychee flavored drink. The PNB 118.
PNB 118.
Yeah.
Is that the bank?
No, yeah, it's like a bank.
Haribas.
Yeah.
Haribas.
Yeah. So this
That's a French bank, I think.
No, Malaysian.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is the new tower. It's the tallest now in Malaysia.
Really? Bigger than Petronas?
Bigger than the Petronas. Taller than the
Yeah.
Petronas. Taller than the Tun Razak Exchange. The Tun Razak Exchange was 108. This is 118. The Twin Towers is 96, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Fair enough. And how tall are you? You're very close to that.
No.
You're not. So this is like my first look at Malaysia, man, and I'm loving it. I'm loving Malaysia so far. It's kind of similar to Singapore. I know that'll piss a lot of people off, but kind of similar. But cheaper. Oh man, that smells so good. Claypot chicken.
Give me a large claypot chicken rice as well. Yeah. Stingray, Stingray please, Yeah, thank you.
Stingray?
Yeah.
Alright.
Stingray.
I've never had stingray before.
Never had Stingray.
Tiger beer.
The beer of Southeast Asia, man.
Back to Ascot.
He knows already.
Mabuhay. What's this?
Claypot chicken rice.
Claypot chicken rice?
Yeah.
Alright man, after you.
Wait, let me mix it up for you. Gotta mix.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I always say like I wish I could record smell. This smells so good. Standard Southeast Asian condiments.
Yes. You must have the chili. You must have the.
Oh, it's green chili.
Yes, green chili.
All right, awesome.
I put a little bit for you if you like it. Then
A little
you
bit,
can take, you can take more. Alright.
That's cool, man.
Then you need to put this.
Thank you, thank you.
Bit of this. There you go.
Beautiful.
Alright. Oh, veggie here. Thank you.
Tastes like home cooking or something, or like real comfort food. Mmm. Man, it's delicious. I'm gonna put this away because this is too delicious.